Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's self-love meditation, you will be guided to create spaciousness within yourself. When we consciously choose to create spaciousness within ourselves, we just naturally release whatever is holding us back, whatever might be in the way is naturally released. We use source energy to fill this space, to move what needs to move. And this source energy has its own intelligence, and we trust this energy to go where it needs to go, to flow where it needs to flow. And you'll be guided to connect with this spaciousness, connect with the wisdom of your own heart, and receive an affirmation from the wisdom of your own heart to guide your day ahead, to guide your days ahead. And when we get stuck in these moments of negativity or criticism or uncertainty, we use the affirmation that you will receive through your own wisdom to bring us back into alignment, knowing that we are both human and spirit. And we trust that all is well and all is perfect in this moment. Thank you so much for being here and participating. I can't wait to know you and know what your experience is. So please do share. Thank you so much. Let's begin today's meditation. Feel free to light a candle, find some soothing music, and turn your gaze inward. Take a deep breath and feel yourself rooted, grounded, belonging. Feel yourself connected to source energy, strong, bright, reaching. Visualize in your mind's eye yourself being gently stretched between earth and sky. When we feel our connection to earth and sky, we gently stretch ourselves and create space, space to release, space to receive. And today we set our intention to love ourselves so deeply that we create the space we need to release and receive. We trust that this meditation unfolds for our highest good and the highest good of all those in our lives. And in your mind's eye, you can feel yourself like a tree. See yourself grounded and reaching. We are spiritual beings. We are human, physical beings. We are meant to find the balance. And in these moments of turning inward, deeply breathing, we bring ourselves into balance. And with your deep inhale, feel yourself gently stretching, maybe growing taller, maybe more rooted and grounded. In your mind's eye, where do you see or feel or know yourself to be stretching? Where is the space being created within you? Trust yourself and your inner guidance as you bring your awareness to a particular area within your being where you are choosing to create more space, where you are guided to create more space. This could be within your physical body. This could be within a relationship. This could be within a worry or a struggle. This could be within a desire or opportunity. Notice where your gaze rests as you breathe deeply and fill with more space. We set the intention to release whatever is in the way, release what is no longer needed by our beings. We ask Spirit to flow through us, cleansing and clearing whatever it is that needs to fall away in this moment. We know that just by asking, we receive. We can visualize this beautiful golden or rainbow energy flowing through us. It has its own intelligence and knows exactly where it needs to go for our highest good in this moment. Take a few deep breaths. Visualize this flow and release. We know that we are charging ourselves up, filling ourselves up, loving ourselves from the inside out, receiving through our crown, down our beautiful bodies, into the spaces where we need healing, into the spaces where we need spaciousness. We need to loosen and soften. We soften and open. And in doing so, we become more receptive to our divine guidance. We become more receptive to our inner knowing. We become more receptive to seeing manifestation in our lives. Bring your awareness into your heart. From this space of connection with earth and sky, notice what good thoughts bubble up. There might be even one affirmation for you that bubbles up from your greater intelligence. There might be this one affirmation that bubbles up for you to guide your day. Notice what affirmation you receive. Breathe in that affirmation. Breathe in that affirmation into all your cells, deep, deep into your bones and your bone marrow, into your ligaments and tendons and muscles, into all the fibers of your being. Breathe in that affirmation. And if you don't have an affirmation, maybe you choose an affirmation like, I create spaciousness within me to allow for new beginnings. I create spaciousness within me to allow for new beginnings. See that affirmation in your bones, and as you breathe in, allow the energy of this affirmation to expand out into a loving, supportive, healing bubble around yourself. What color is this bubble? What shape is this bubble? When you notice your mind's moving off task or into negativity or into struggle today, use this affirmation to bring yourself back. We know that we accept all that comes to us. We know that we have no control over others. We know that all is perfect in this moment and divinely guided. We know that we can trust source energy to continue to show us, guide us, teach us, fill us with loving energy. We continue to love ourselves in every moment, have compassion for this human journey. We have compassion for all that we have been through. We trust this glorious, magical, magnificent unfolding of our lives into greatness. We choose greatness. Breathe that into your bubble. We choose greatness. And we say, thank you, earth. Thank you, sky. Thank you, heart. Thank this life. We say, thank you, life, for all of our very many blessings. We say thank you. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal for 8 minutes or so of a free write. Set your timer for 8 minutes or more. Give yourself the space to solidify your learning and understanding. Solidify the wisdom that has been garnished from within you. And take this time just to love yourself and deepen that relationship. Feel free to share in the comments or let me know if you'd like to attend live with us on Sundays. Have a beautiful, blessed day.